Let's focus on me. Ay, ano yung hawak mo? May Patrick! Pansin niyo raw yung kanyang. Ayan. Thank you so much, Nick! Second prize winner. Ayan, okay. We have contestant number 10. Contestant number 10, si Mix. Mix!
Our delivery dog for today. Congrats so much, baby.
Congrats, Mix!
So fluffy.
Ayan, picture po tayo. Mix!
May delivery pa raw siya.
Baka may group picture pa.
Okay, congratulations, Mix!